5 new dangers for green card holders in 2025. Travel, taxes, DUIs, and online speech now under review. As of October 2025, the rules for green card holders have changed drastically. If you think your permanent resident status makes you safe, think again. Over the past 6 months, the U.S. government has quietly tightened scrutiny on every permanent resident. From airport inspections to IRS flags to social media monitoring, everything is connected now. In this video, we'll break down the 5 biggest trends putting thousands of green card holders at risk right now. DUI convictions, even decades old. Multiple speeding tickets or unpaid fines. Tax noncompliance and IRS reporting. Extended travel abroad. Speaking against the U.S. government online. Let's unpack each one and why October 2025 matters more than ever. Number 1. DUIs now trigger airport detentions. A single DUI conviction can now raise serious red flags at U.S. ports of entry. We're seeing cases where lawful permanent residents, people with a DUI from 15 or 20 years ago, are being detained on arrival. CBP officers are using expanded databases to identify old offenses immediately. The legal term they rely on is inadmissibility. That means when you return to the U.S., they can legally stop you from entering, even jail you pending review. Under the August 2025 USCIS memo, even one DUI can trigger a good moral character review during citizenship applications. 2 DUIs within 5 years will almost certainly result in denial of naturalization. For green card holders, avoid international travel if you have an active DUI record. Consult both immigration and criminal attorneys before pleading to any DUI case. Expect intense vetting if you apply for citizenship anytime soon. Even if you live peacefully inside the U.S., the moment you travel abroad, the risk rises. CBP officers now treat DUIs as grounds to detain or refer you to IC review. One offense could derail your path to citizenship and even put your status under threat. Number 2. Multiple speeding tickets now affect moral character. It sounds minor, but not anymore. Under the same 2025 memo, USCIS now requires disclosure of all traffic offenses, including speeding tickets. 3 or more speeding citations within 5 years can be interpreted as a pattern of disregard for U.S. laws. That's the phrase they use to question your good moral character. We're already seeing cases where green card holders with multiple tickets had their citizenship interviews delayed or denied. Here's what matters now. Pay every ticket immediately, no exceptions. Keep records of payment and court closures. Gather evidence of responsible behavior, safe driving courses, community service, etc. Even a warrant from an unpaid ticket can flag you as inadmissible at the airport. The trend is clear. Immigration officers now judge your driving record as a reflection of your character. Drive responsibly. Pay everything. Stay off their radar. Number 3. Tax delays and IRS flags are now shared with CBP. This is a big one. Green card holders who fail to pay taxes or ignore IRS notices are being flagged across multiple federal systems. When you arrive at the airport, CBP officers can see if you have federal tax issues under your name or social security number. It doesn't mean automatic deportation, but it raises serious questions about your compliance and moral character. Here's what you must do now. File taxes on time every year, even if you owe nothing. If you owe money, set up an IRS payment plan and keep proof of compliance. Never ignore IRS letters or collection notices. In recent cases, green card holders applying for citizenship were asked to submit IRS payment histories. Failure to show this evidence led to denial under failure to uphold financial responsibility. Remember, immigration now ties your tax record to your citizenship eligibility. Late taxes can delay or block your naturalization. Number 4. Long trips abroad can cost you your green card. Travel has become a major trigger for secondary inspection in 2025. If you stay abroad for more than 1 year, CBP automatically flags your return as a potential abandonment of residency. Even shorter absences, 6 to 9 months, can invite questioning if you make frequent trips. At the airport, officers are now asking, "Where is your primary home? Do you still work in the US? Why did you stay so long abroad?" If you hesitate or give unclear answers, they can pressure you to sign Form I-407, which voluntarily abandons your green card. Never sign it without an attorney present. Extended absences now appear in digital travel logs. Even a small misstatement about how long you were away can lead to a charge of misrepresentation or fraud. If you must travel often, apply for a re-entry permit before you leave. Be ready to explain why you need long stays abroad, family care, medical reasons, or temporary work assignments. Immigration officers are now testing your intent to reside permanently in America. Prove that your life, income, and family base are still here. Number 5. Online speech is now monitored. Yes, social media matters. Green card holders are now under digital review for their posts, tweets, and political statements. If you speak out against U.S. policy or show support for foreign movements deemed hostile, your record can be flagged during citizenship screenings. Facial recognition and AI tools are used to scan protest photos and social feeds. When you apply for naturalization or travel internationally, that data is cross-checked against your immigration file. This does not mean you cannot express opinions, but it means your digital footprint now matters more than ever. Here's how to stay safe. Avoid posting extreme or anti-US content online. Keep political opinions measured and nonviolent. Remember that screenshots last forever, even deleted posts. Officers can raise questions about loyalty or attachment to the US during citizenship interviews. That's why lawyers now advise green card holders to clean up social media history before filing Form N-400. Freedom of speech remains protected, but your posts can influence how officers view your character and intent. The new reality for green card holders. The message from USCIS and CBP is clear. Permanent resident does not mean permanent security anymore. Every record, every ticket, every trip, every post now feeds into the same federal profile. For decades, green card holders felt safe from minor mistakes. But 2025 has changed the rules. The system is smarter, stricter, and fully interconnected. If you're a green card holder, take these steps today. Stay fully compliant with laws and tax obligations. Keep your record clean and organized for future applications. Consult qualified immigration attorneys before travel or citizenship filing. Your future in the US depends on the details you manage today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.